Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a spring and tube in Creo 6.0.1 and this video is only for beginners. Before we start, we must understand we need at least 4 parameters for creating any spring. In our condition, these are the 4 parameters that we needed: height, spring radius, pitch and coil diameter. You can take a screenshot if you want. Okay, let's start. First we'll take any datum and make it as a sketch view. We'll take top one, sketch and sketch view. That option is here. Now we'll create a line. Double click. This line indicates the height of the spring. As I shown you in the picture, the height of the spring is 200 mm and spring radius is 50. Go back to sketch. Double click, 200 mm, enter. Now take a center line, create here. Double click, 50. Now press OK and turn sketch into the isometric view. Now go to helical sweep option here. Here there are 2 parameters that we have to define. One is pitch and one is coil diameter. Here the pitch is, we'll say it is 15. Enter and take a sketch option here. Now take a circle, create one here with the diameter of 10 mm. Enter. Now press OK. Now your spring is ready. Now press OK. Now I'm going to show you how to modify the parameters. For that, double click on here sketch, edit dimension. We had given the 200 mm length. Now double click, we'll make it 250, enter, and radius we had given 50, that we'll say it is 80. Now press OK. Now we can observe the difference. The size of the spring has been changed. Now there are 2 more parameters left for modifying: pitch and coil diameter. For that, double click on helical sweep here, edit definition. Here you can modify the coils. We had given it is 15. Now we'll make it to 25. Enter. You can find the difference. The number of coils has been reduced. Now sketch. We had given it is 10. Now we will say it is 20. Okay. Now you can find the difference here. Press OK. And now with the same model, we're gonna create a tube. For that, again double click on helical sweep, edit definition. Now go to sketch option here, zoom in. Now create another circle. Find the center point of the circle, create one circle here. Double click. We'll say it is 10 mm. I'm taking the circle. If you want, you can take triangle, square or rectangle, whatever you want. Now OK, press OK. Again OK. Now you can see the difference. Spring has been turned into a tube. Please hit the like and do comment if any clarification. Thanks for watching.